Hi everyone! Let's unbox what I got from Temu. But before you see the items I got, make sure to download the Temu app to get the $100 coupon bundle for free. Yes, $100. So search my code DKJ5627. Now let me show you ano yung mga magagandang napili ko dito sa Temu. This first box right here are cookie cutters, guys. 8 pieces na siya. It's a cutter set. Tapos meron siyang, pwede siya sa fondant, pwede siya sa cookies, at embosser na lang siya. I-stamp mo na lang siya. O diba, ang ganda-ganda. Tapos ito namang Merry Christmas na ito, ay pwedeng cake topper or pwede nyo pan-decorate lang. And this one is a mini dessert container kung saan I made mini muffins and I put it there. So 50 pesos naman siya, isang order. Another cute little item here is a Christmas tree scented candle. Isa pa sa mga na-unbox natin ay itong Christmas tree candy plate. You can put snacks there or dried fruits, cookies, crackers, you name it. You can put it on your table when serving a Christmas dinner. They also have these cupcake wrappers, guys, and it comes with cupcake toppers na. So, ang ginagawa lang dito, what you do if you have ready-made cupcakes, you just wrap it around and then ilak mo lang doon sa likod niya. And then, this will be a cover for your cupcakes. And then it comes with toppers for decoration. They also have this Christmas cupcake baking cups, guys. These are food grade muffin cups at heavy duty parchment paper siya na cupcake liners. So 3.5 ounces na siya, kaya perfect yan sa mga cupcakes ninyo. At ito naman na talagang gandang-ganda ako dito. This is so pretty, guys. 3 pieces Christmas decoration lanterns. Yes, umiilaw siya. Tanggalin nyo lang yung strip na yan. And then i-turn nyo lang. O, diba? It flickers. Anyway, all product links are in the description. Oh my God! This is so cute! Napaka-cute. Pwede nyo i-hang or pwede nyo ilagay lang sa ibabaw ng table. Diba? It's so pretty. And this one, guys, I chose this one kasi mahilig ako mag-bake. So, perfect ito if i-hang ko lang for decoration, diba? Ang cute-cute niya. And of course, I will be setting my table this Christmas. Syempre, we have to have a Christmas table mat. O, diba? Look at this. At ito mga small hats na to, alam niyo ba kung ano ito? Yes, guys, this is for your spoon and fork. Sa tableware holder bag. Christmas hat. O, diba? It's so cute. Ang dali lang ipapasok niya lang. Just insert it and then that's it. Of course, with the tableware, kailangan natin ng napkins. So, 20 pieces disposable Christmas paper napkins, guys. And ito naman, guys, these are wooden hanging decorations. So, it comes with a string na that you can hang. You can use it for your Christmas tree or for just decorating your table. It's up to you, guys. See? It has a string right there. So, 24 pieces sa isang order nito. Diba? Ang ganda. And of course, they also have gift bags here. So if you're going to be baking cookies and stuff, or you're going to be packing chocolates, this is perfect for chocolates, candies, biscuits, you name it. And ito namang mga bottles na to ay pwede nyo paglagyan ng mga cookies kung magbibig kayo, candies, or pwede nyo rin lagyan ng iinumin nyo like milk or juice, or just for decorating for your table this coming Christmas. And another item here na favorite ko sa mga ipinadala na Temu ay itong doll na to, na pwede nyo ipambigay na regalo o pwede nyo ipang-decorate lang at pwede nyo rin siyang gawing night lamp. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi may ilaw yan, guys. Lagyan nyo lang ng battery sa loob, 3 AAA, and look, it's so cute. So let's turn off the lights and see what it looks like kapag madilim. Look. At meron din silang garland. Look, guys, pwede nyo lagyan ng candle sa gitna or pwede nyo lagyan ng mga pailaw, pero maganda sa kanya, ang ganda ng quality niya. It's very, very soft. At lagay nyo lang sa ibabaw ng table ninyo or sa center table nyo sa living room, or yan, lagay nyo yung flickering candle na yan o flickering lantern, and then perfect na siya, hindi ba? At syempre, hindi kompleto ang ating table setting kung wala tayong table runner. So, iba-ibang decoration ng choice ng table runner doon sa Temu app. So, pipili lang kayo doon. See, guys, how it matches doon sa lahat ng mga pinili natin sa placemat, sa ating tableware holder, and see the garland in the middle, the doll. You can put all of them sa iyong table. Again, hindi kompleto ang mesa kung wala tayong chair cover. Look at this. It's so easy. Slip on nyo lang. Ilagay nyo lang sa ibabaw. At tapos bihisan nyo lang ang silya nyo. Yeah, di ba ang cute-cute? So, iba-ibang design ang in-order ko sa kanila. And see guys, every time you order at Temu, it's nicely packaged. And lahat ng mga in-order ko for the chair are nicely folded and individually wrapped per item po na per order ninyo. So yung isa parang Christmas hat yung design niya at ito naman ay para namang naka-skirt pang inyong chair, diba? Ang ganda talaga. I like it. At kung binihisan nyo ang inyong chair, syempre ang inyong baker, kailangan din may apron. Di ba ang cute-cute ng apron din na to guys? Look, it perfectly fits me. And look at the length, tamang-tama lang siya. And pati yung string niya sa likod. So, it's so pretty. At syempre sa pag-decorate, kailangan natin ng string lights guys. So, this is LED, copper wire garland holiday lighting. So, ang ginawa ko, nilagay ko lang siya dito sa ibabaw ng table. Ibinalot natin siya doon sa garland kanina. At look, ang ganda, no? Again, ang mga product links ng mga items na pinakita ko ay nasa description box. At ito naman na pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat, pwede nyo itong ipang-decorate. Pwede siyang curtain lights, pwede siya sa Christmas tree, pwede rin siya sa kung saan nyo gusto i-hang. Copper wire light siya guys, so pag binuksan natin ang ilaw, makikita nyo anong itsura niya pagka bukas na. Eto guys. Bali ang dulo niya is USB, kakabit nyo lang sa inyong mismong plug and then ayan na. Kapag isinaksak nyo siya, look, ang ganda ng mga decoration niya sa loob, gumagalaw. Tapos nagpi-flicker siya. Iba-ibang option ang meron kayo kung gusto nyong nag-steady lang siya or nagpi-flicker siya. So, diba, ang ganda-ganda niya. I'm planning to buy more of this kasi pwedeng-pwede siya sa Christmas tree. Diba? Kung yan lang lahat na nakasabit, it will be so pretty. Again, ipinapakita ko lang sa inyo itong flickering lanterns na to. Isa sa pinaka-favorite ko sa mga ipinadala sa atin ng Temu. It's perfect kung hindi nyo pa ilawin o ilalagay yung ilaw. It's up to you guys, but I just love it. At dahil Christmas is coming, I highly suggest to go to Temu, download the app like I mentioned kanina. Make sure to mention the code so you don't miss the coupon bundle na $100 nila. So if you go to their app, napakarami lang choices guys. This one, I just featured all Christmas stuff because Christmas is coming. But they have everything there. And I myself have been a regular customer of Temu. We've been ordering at Temu. It just happened that they asked me to collaborate with them so that we can show especially the Christmas items with you guys. So here on my last clips, I'm just showing you how products are properly packaged on each one. Like I said, don't forget to mention my code so you get the coupon bundle, which is DKJ 5627. Oh, by the way, they also have the oven mitt here for Christmas. I just didn't have it on the table, but it is right here. So it's pretty nice, and yeah, price and product link are in the description. So reminder guys to download the Temu app through my link in the description, and then make sure na yung perks ay samantalahin ninyo na kunin yung DKJ 5627 code para sa inyong coupon bundle. Sayang yan, malaking discount yan para makatipid kayo kasi mura na yung mga items sila, magaganda pa, at yeah, you have so many choices there. Not only this, these are just what, how many percent of what they have. They also have clothing there, they have shoes, yung ibang tops na nakikita nyo pag nagla-live ako sa Facebook. Yes, I got it from Temu guys. I have 3 of the products I bought with them that I wore sa live, and you guys are telling me it's nice. It's actually from Temu. So again, it's Christmas. They have nice stuff there. Lahat ng pinili ko, they're all nice. I love all of them, and I'm planning to use them sa mga future recipes natin, especially the Christmas cookies, Christmas cupcakes. I'm gonna be making that, so make sure to tune in with that. But right now, make sure to download the Temu app. So enjoy shopping guys, and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and make sure update me sa comments if you guys downloaded the app.